Hello and welcome to another part of my straight razor series. In today's video, we're going to go over all the parts of a straight razor. If you're interested to learn more about straight razors and straight razor shaping, I'm going to put a playlist up here for you guys for all the different videos that I'm making related to straight razors so you can get a better idea of how to use one, why to use one, in this video what the different parts are, short-term and long-term straight razor maintenance, all the things you need to know to own and use a straight razor. So let's get right to it. Don't mind the laptop, I've just got a screen recorder app going so that I can see what it is I'm actually showing you guys. So here's my straight razor, and there's different parts to this thing. This part over here, this edge, that's actually called the toe, and then this is called the tip. Then this part along the top is called the spine, and then this flat piece, like this main piece, is called the face, like this larger surface area, whether you're looking at this side or this side, that's called the face. Then you've got the heel, which is over here, just kind of like this part over here is called the heel. I'm gonna try not to cut myself while I do this. And then this piece is the tang, and then this piece is the tail. And yes, then the most important part, which I almost forgot, is the edge, right? So that's the actual sharp part that you're going to be shaving with. And then you've got your scales, which is this piece over here. And then usually there is kind of like a, you can see there's an open space there where the razor folds into. And there you have it. There's all the parts to a straight razor. I think there might be some other parts that I'm missing, but really the ones that we're going to be talking about are the ones that we're commonly going to be talking about is actually just the face, the edge, maybe the heel and the toe, then of course the tang. I just wanted to make this video so that when we're talking about the different parts of the straight razor, as I'm showing you guys how to like strop a razor, we're talking about proper maintenance and things like that, that you know what it is that I'm talking about. So I hope you guys found this video informative. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect.